Hey guys, it's Jay here, and we're doing a collaboration with Cute Candy Craze and the Alexis and Rowan Show.
So start off by adding your glue. We're using wood glue because we couldn't find any glue, and we're just going to divide this. This may take some time. Because there's still a little bit of glue in here, we're going to put some water in here and then shake it, and then that's the water that we're going to add. There's still a little bit in each bowl.
Stop.
Okay, so now we're just going to mix it all.
Yeah.
Okay,
so I got his slime because I'm gonna mix it.
Oh, and then Rowan, that was so nice of you to give it to her. And Jordan, it's so nice of you to give your slime to him. Got nice boys here.
You got your mix done. It's time to personalize it. So I'm going to be using peppermint extract.
But you're gonna give mine to me.
So we'll just add like a little bit.
I'm gonna
You don't need that much. And then I'm going to dye it green.
Yep, he's giving it to you.
So just a couple drops or however many you want.
Where's
And
pink
then I'm also
for
going to
me?
use some green sparkles.
Where's pink for me?
If I can open it.
I see. Can I have that pink for my sister?
Which one?
No. That
So
one.
I'm going to
then
use the blue.
you just add a little bit and then stir it all up. And then, so when you're done, Alexis will show you what to do next.
Okay, so I'm doing blue food coloring and some licorice.
Elves.
Let's see Iceland's.
And then we have Iceland's over here.
So cool, we mix it.
My slime's gonna be pretty. So I'm doing blue and green to make a nice turquoise because my favorite color is turquoise. And I'm also using pure peppermint and pure, I think it's vanilla almond. Oh my.
Yours looks like tie-dye.
It's so
That made it like, oh my. Hi guys. So now that you're done personalizing yours, I'm done personalizing mine. You're gonna need your activator. Plus, we also have some lotion to make our slime softer.
Yeah. So the activators you can use are Tide, Contact Lens Solution, Borax, and there is one more. I can't think of it right now. But if you want to learn how to do it with Borax, I have a video on my channel you can watch. A little bit of Tide because you don't want it to be overpowered, and that basically means it'll be like all chunky and rubbery and hard. So just a little bit at a time.
Okay, Rowan, you can start.
I'm on to do mine by myself.
I see. Okay.
Ready?
I'll stir. I'll add this.
Mom is ready.
Come on, bud.
Now you stir.
You got a lot
Gotta
more
stir
to
a
do
lot.
I'm just gonna. Has a little bit more.
Okay, and Alexis, you
I
feel
got a
like you
little
need some more
splatters
too?
in my shirt. Okay, so after it's all comes together, you want to start kneading it.
Back to the soap. I want to wash my hands.
And to make some.
I need a. Oh!
I see now.
Is your slime working?
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
I wish I could
Does
eat
it smell like peppermint?
Yeah. I want to eat it.
Okay, so this is a very satisfying and stretchy, as you can see. Oh, it's like a good
consistency and a good type
Yeah,
of
it looks
slime.
really good.
Yeah, but we're gonna all have to wash our hands because look what's happening.
So after like you've kneaded it a bit, it should be like, this one's still kind of sticky, but we're gonna be adding some lotion to it to make it softer. So
Have some more of that red stuff, please. Thank you.
that should probably be good for now. And then I'm just gonna like kind of stir it in.
Mine's not probably good enough.
Oh, that's looking like some nice slime there.
Yep. I'm gonna
With
knead
Iceland.
it.
You need the right amount. Iceland's got a concoction of.
I'm gonna fold mine in.
Oh, it made it wetter.
Oh, you
Yeah,
just
just
gotta
gotta
keep
work it.
working.
Turned out. I go too.
Thanks for watching!
Please like, subscribe,
And comment!